Hello, Spiritual Millionaire. I just finished the house viewing of the house behind us, and I had an interesting conversation with two people, Ben and Lisa. And in case you're watching me now, hello, welcome to Bitcoin Cash community. I purposely did not give these two people my phone number or my full name or anything else. I just told them about the benefits of Bitcoin Cash. I told them the benefits of Bitcoin. I told them they should put 5% of their net worth into Bitcoin because that is going to give them an opportunity to have a diversifier. And the reason I do this social experiment is because I want to understand if I can explain the concept and the benefits of Bitcoin Cash to people who is about 40 years old, who are well-to-do but have no experience with Bitcoin whatsoever. So I basically gave a 1 minute, 2 minutes elevator pitch, and I gave them the information that they can find me on YouTube or Instagram. And then I want to see if they're intrigued enough to find me or not. If they do find me, Ben and Lisa, if you guys find me, welcome. And if you want your first Bitcoin Cash for free, just leave your wallet address underneath, which means go online, find the website called bitcoin.com, download the app, and then after you download the app, you can create a wallet address and then put your wallet address in Instagram or YouTube, and then people will send you free Bitcoin Cash. It's easy as that. Otherwise, we meet each other again at this coffee place, and we install the app on your phone, and then you can get free Bitcoin just to start you out. Okay, so for the rest of you, please continue watching because now follows a 10 minutes house tour with my commentary about the actual house and tell you exactly what I think about this particular house. For those who don't want to watch it, I find the house is interesting, it's well priced, but the condition is not good enough for me to move in, therefore it is off my list. But whoever buys the house, I think has a fair chance of making money in the process because the location itself is phenomenal. So that is my 2 cents on that house, and this is my Saturday video. And from here onwards, I'm definitely making every day at least one video. If something goes on in the market, I see something special, I might make 2 videos a day or even 3 videos, depends. So stay tuned, and last but not least, follow me on Instagram because any latest update, I will try to establish the news on Instagram first, then you can get linked over to the YouTube videos. Alright, follow me on Instagram, handle is the first meal as well. Alright, see you in the next section. Don't skip the next one. It's going to be an interesting house view with a lot of inside info. See ya. Good morning, future millionaire. It's a Saturday, so today is the house party. Not house party, house viewing. So you guys can see, I told you guys I originally didn't want to see this house, but now they have open house. So I might give this a try. Over there is the Rafiki Cafe with the exercise bar in the background. Now, this is the secondary entrance. Let's see how this house goes. Now, I'm gonna experience this for the first time, like you as well. I will give you some commentary. Everything is a bit old. This is 15 years old, maybe 20 years old. The layout is just okay. I think ideally this should be oh, okay. He runs as a business, I see. So this is his office. And from here he can observe the people, can have the ocean view. Over there is the ocean view, but this part will be blocked. Whenever you see this, if you ever go buy properties, whenever you see this means a multi-story building is going to go up. And over there, very expensive house in the corner. And what do they have? A giant trampoline. That's what all the kids like. Okay, so there's the cafe. Here's couple of parking, there's extra. So in the night, potentially someone come visit, they could park the car there, knock the door under here, and be able to get in. But this also means potentially a break-in. Just be careful with accesses. So when you have multiple accesses, break-in is possible. So he drives a Maserati. So, oh, that's the second. Nice view. The whole thing is designed as office and living space on the other side. So this side is no, it's okay. It's just for myself because I want to remember.
No, of course, 100%.
Yeah.
And you can talk to Charles,
Yeah.
main agent, about any questions. You
No, of
have,
course.
anything like that, so. You're obviously looking to buy.
Yes.
Yes.
Ready?
Cash ready?
Yes.
Yeah,
I'm into Bitcoin. So.
Oh, love it.
Yeah.
That's so good.
But the thing is, this one needs a lot of work. It really needs a lot of work. Everything I see is pretty old.
Charlon will talk to you all
Yeah.
about that kind of stuff.
All right.
He's an expert at this topic.
Of course.
Um,
I'll take a look first.
No,
How long
that's
has this been on the market now?
It's been on the market, I think, only for a couple months now. And there was
Okay.
a contract that actually fell through last week.
Oh,
So, yeah.
there was a contract on this.
Yeah, under contract and it fell through last week.
Do you know how much the contract was
So,
going
he
for?
knows. He knows how
All
much.
right.
Yeah. So
No problem.
all good.
Oh, good. I'll talk to him.
All good.
This young kid is inexperienced, but he's willing to provide information. That is good. Do you want to come through?
Yeah, I will. Thank you.
How long have you been in this line? Couple months?
Couple months.
You?
Me?
In
this
the
industry?
bit- yeah.
Yeah, a couple months.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I'm a 21-year-old just.
Good.
trying to-
You make it very big.
Yeah.
You-
Hey, so
Morning, how are you this morning?
Good. How are you?
Are you well?
I am. It's hot though. Hey.
So, this is actually the main entrance. I actually came in from the side entrance. All right, put myself on the camera. Hello, everybody. Well, it doesn't take a genius or an angel to figure out that that little kid has no experience, but that's okay. He's just an assistant. This is the address. Pretty cool. Number 8 is always an extra good number because in case you want ever sell to Asian buyers, being number 8 is always good. So they don't have a real garage. This is an open garage. And very often that means, hey, how you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I've been through that side already. I'm just checking out the rest of the house. It's very nice.
Sure, it's stunning.
Yeah. I heard there's a contract that fell through. Is that right?
It just fell through.
So how much was it going for?
It was it's 4.2 to 4.4.
Okay.
The price range.
Okay. Did the contract go within that range?
It had a 4 in it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
But now they asked for extension and I
Yeah.
said I
Nah.
have too much interest.
Of course.
Yeah.
Better just take the deposit. Well, I mean, good for you. Double commission. Congratulations. Yeah. When contract falls over, someone's always winning. Yes. Okay. Let me turn back. That's unusual. Fitness equipment inside the bedroom like this. Maybe someone can comment what this is for. Oh no, wait, it's a folded treadmill. It's a folded treadmill. What that shows is a lack of space. So when they don't have enough space, they put this kind of equipment inside the bedroom. So space is really difficult to get. What happens with this house is it uses up too much space for useless stuff like this walkway, for example, that serves no function, no purpose other than separating out the two sections. It is pretty obvious that side is the man cave, and so the guy had his own space. He took the better view for his own man cave because he wanted to be separate from his wife. Actually, I don't even need to see the rest of the house, to be honest. Let's talk about Bitcoin Cash. It's a good opportunity to do that. So I think this house has only potential if it's below 4 million. But since the contract fell over between 4.2 to 4.4, that means not much real potential for me here. There's a lot of work needs to be done. Everything has to be redone. Look at that house here. Look at all this. This is the cheapest of the cheapest. And the guy didn't take care of any of that stuff. All cracked. All this has to be redone. The pool looks like from 30 years ago. And that section is purely just acting as an obstacle. And also if you're slightly older, let's say imagine somebody who doesn't have the best mobility, this house is out of question. This is a small details. Pay attention to it. Imagine you are selling to somebody with $4 or $5 million, let's say, budget for housing. So when you look at this, how are you gonna go in with mobility issue? Mobility issue, big problem. A lot of older people who have the money cannot climb stairs. Everything has to be flat. All these stairs is a major problem. The reason they have those stairs is because the land is not flat. Here's another stair. This makes no sense. Then you have the multiple obstacles due to the fact they have the pool in the middle, because due to the regulation, you must have fencing. And the non-matching fencing on the left and the right also makes it look awkward. So all in all, this is not an optimal house, anything but optimal. Because it's less than optimum, the house has to be sold accordingly. But I think the price is just too high for that. So no interest on my side. I'm not gonna talk to them. Instead, this was an interesting housing tour. Yeah, mobility is a major problem. Look at this. Okay, staircase. Stairs right here, mobility. Do not underestimate mobility issue. For older people, convenience and mobility is everything. And look at this, look how easy this get cracked. All you have to do is somebody walk in, somebody from the cafe, use a binocular, watch the combination, then in no time, people got a combination out. So this is basically very, very unsafe. So all in all, too many negative points, as I suspected, but it was good that I came here to take a look at it. Therefore, good to know that I can reject the house. Now I understand why it was so long on the market and nobody was buying it. Okay, meanwhile, I come here for my coffee. Go on the line. Yeah. So the only upside is easy to get a coffee. That's the only upside I can think of. All right. So signing out now for the house tour. See you in the next one. Bye.